In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini 2, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on the device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select System, and click on Backup. So unless this icon is active, just click on it to activate Google Backup. And now it's time to add your backup account. So just click on Account and provide the details. So let's start with your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account. And then tap on Next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And here it is, and as only the password is entered, just press Next. And here you can read all the service terms and privacy policy. Tap on I agree if you do. And that's it. As you can see, your backup is active. Just tap on Accept to confirm your selection. And this Google Backup includes apps and app data, call history, contacts, device settings, messages, and so on. So just tap on OK to close it. And it has been done. So congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.